It's a song called Italy, but it's not about the country Italy. It's about a little community up in Jackson County called Italy, and the story up there is across the mountain is another community called Canada. When you go to Canada, you cross the mountain from Italy, or the other way around. Old-timey stuff. Well, yonder comes that gal of mine. How you think I know? You can tell by her pretty little curls hanging down below. Well, I'm going to Italy for long, for long, for long. I'm going to Italy for long to see that gal of mine. Well, her eyes are like a diamond, her cheeks are like a rose, her lips are like a lily that in the garden grows. Well, I'm going to Italy for long, for long, for long. I'm going to Italy for long to see that gal of mine. Well, some came here to fiddle and dance, some came here to tarry. Well, you can have your fiddle and your dance, I came here to marry. Well, I'm going to Italy for long, for long, for long. I'm going to Italy for long to see that gal of mine. Well, I asked that girl to marry me, what you think she said? Said, I ain't gonna marry you till all them boys is dead. I'm going to Italy for long, for long, for long. I'm going to Italy for long to see that gal of mine. Well, I'm going to